Next, how to delete record from MySQL table. We have a table called events, which has 5 fields: event ID, name, start date, end date, and description. Let's go and check in the database. DSC events. These are the 5 fields I have. Database name is userdb, start date time, end date time, description, and display the records. These are the 5 records I have. Want to delete any of the record or all records? Let's see how we can do with the JDBC API. First we need to connect to database. Connect. Need to, before that, register MySQL driver. java.sql.driver new MySQL server driver implementation is in this package JDBC .driver. It throws an exception, SQL exception. Yes, you also throw it. Later we can catch it. Before that we need to import package, SQL package. Right. This driver should be registered with the driver manager. Register driver, it has static method called register driver. Then connect to MySQL database using URL format for MySQL is JDBC localhost 3306 and database name is userdb. I am passing username in the URL itself. User equal to root, password equal to driver manager as get connection, which takes URL. I am passing that. It returns connection object. You can declare this as a class field rather than here, so that you can use in multiple functions. Connection is ready. We need to disconnect at the end. If connection not equal to null, connection dot close. It throws exception. Connection is ready, disconnect is ready. We need to get the records, all records. Void dot display. Connection object has create statement, which returns statement object. Statement object has method called execute query, which accepts SQL statement select star from events. It also throws exception. Silent. Now it returns result set. let's so rs.next points to first record in the cursor. Let's display all the records. Println first field is integer event id 1. Index starts from column index starts from 1 onwards. Next is event name, that is a string object 2. Third one is start date, that is a timestamp. Get timestamp 3. Fourth also end date time, that is also timestamp. 4. Fifth one is description, that is a string, get string. Fifth. Right, once you are done with that, you can close the statement object. Connection is ready. We need to write a delete. Before that, we need to call these two methods in the main method. Let's create object of this del dot first is connection object, del dot display all records, del dot disconnect. All these three methods throws exception, need to catch that. SQL exception ex system dot out dot println ex dot get message. Let's display this records first. Displayed all 5 records. Sorry, we are pointing to wrong class. Need to point to correct class now. It's pointing to update. Delete. Let's stop this build. Run it. Displayed all the 5 records. Here we have 5 records, same records displayed. Now we need to delete this one of the record. This write a delete. Connection object has prepared statement. You can use prepared statement or statement also. We'll use prepared statement. It accepts SQL. String SQL based on the ID. I am deleting it. Delete from events where ID equal to, let's declare a variable called ID here, or you don't need, here it's int ID equal to -1. Prepared statement throws an exception. ID equal to question mark, and the prepared statement gives us statement stmt. and using stmt set the value integer. You are going to set only one value, that is id. Where do you get? And execute it. Finally close it. See this id where we are getting. We need to get from console. For this we need to create a scanner object. Scanner system.in. This scanner object is located in Java util.scanner. System please enter event id to delete. sc.nextInt assign that value to id. Right. Some problem. Okay, we got id. That id we are setting it here. Now call this method and delete. This display is before deletion. Before deleting records. After deleting we need to display the all records or whatever records left in the database. Now delete. Display. Right. Run it. We have 5 records. I am deleting this is spelling mistake. Let's correct it. Stop the build. Stop the build. I started rebuilding. It's a mistake. It takes a stop. Now we execute it. It takes a while to compile all the files. So yes, let's keep on compiling. This also here table name is wrong. Events. It displayed, so we have table name wrongly typed it. Then stop the build, execute it. We got all 5 records. Want to delete 4. Please enter event id to delete. See, after deleting we have only 4 records. Want to try? If you want to delete multiple records, you can put this in from here in a while block up to this infinity loop. Based on some condition, just exit